Woke up this morning, thought about you, so I had to call you. You talk about you hate me and every day you stalling. And when we on the phone, we ain't even really talking. But I tell you, baby girl, it's a problem, I'ma solve it. And if it's a problem, I got to do what I got to do. Jumping over obstacles, I'm trying to do this shit for you. Yeah, girl, I'm trying to get this cash so I can shop for you. Yeah, girl, you know that I'm chasing after quad for you. Listen, there's no limit to the shit I be spitting when I just gon' get the lyrics and put them in my mind and then put them on a fucking instrumental and kill that shit. People be like, damn, they keep on listening. Goddamn, I'm sick. Had these niggas from blisters, man. I tell these niggas, I am the Mr. Man. It's getting scared. Too loud. Alright. I definitely think it's alright. Trying to make it here, lil' homie, I've been there. Matter of fact, I'm just now growing up. I just got my chin hair. Got a little peach fuzz. Homeboy, but I ain't got nothing but just a little bit of Facebook buzz. Got a couple videos. Got a little SoundCloud. Guess now I'm shitting though. Everything I'm spitting, shit, I guarantee this lyrical. You know why? Because I'm gifted, bro. I like to thank God for my family and peace. But these people don't really want me to get the peace. Cause I'ma have to delete you. Backspace about computer shit. Yeah, and that's the only way we have a solution shit. I mean, that's the only solution shit for these stupid niggas.